In this video, I will show you how to add a table in Canva using two simple methods. First, let's take a look at the easiest way, which works best if you have Canva Pro. Start by going to the Elements tab and searching for charts. Here, you'll find a variety of tables and charts you can use. However, many of these are only available for Pro users. If you have Canva Pro, you can simply select the chart or table you like and customize it. For those using the free version of Canva, you can create a table manually. Go to the Elements tab again, then select Shapes. Choose a shape, such as a rectangle or square, and customize its color to your liking. Arrange the shapes to form rows and columns, aligning them to create a grid. To duplicate a shape, select it, hold down Shift, and copy it using Ctrl+C. Paste the shape using Ctrl+V and position it as needed. Repeat this process to build your table. You can group multiple shapes together by selecting all of them and then copying and pasting to speed up the process. And that's how you can add tables to Canva, whether you're using the Pro version or the free version. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.